Welcome back. So far we have finished the wheel's front and the back. Although it would work as a cartwheel already, it wouldn't stay on rails. So the last features we have to add are the flange and the taper. We're going to start with cleaning up the outside of the part, and then we are going to turn the part down to the outside diameter of the flange. When the desired diameter has been reached, in this case 140 millimeters, we are going to measure out and mark the thickness of the flange. Now I have the carriage set to 10 degrees in preparation for cutting a 10-degree taper to the flange. Before that, I am going to cut the other side down to the major diameter of the taper. I am going to avoid the flange line that I just drew, so I don't cut into the flange. When the flange has been formed, we will plunge into the part with the cross slide, forming the taper onto the flange. Since the tooltip is round, it will create a nice corner radius to the corner where the flange meets the wheel taper. I have added some blue onto the area where the taper is going to be cut, and also I have rotated the cross slide so it cuts a 3-degree taper when I move it from side to side, and I'm going to be cutting deeper and deeper until only a line of the blue is visible. That way I have a taper the whole way through the part. Now the taper has been cut, and next we can do some 45-degree chamfers. Now we have nice chamfers on the wheel, except for the backside. My lathe cannot reach there in this setup, and the flange needs rounding off, so this next part is going to get a bit dirty. You might want to close your eyes. After a little bit of sanding and polishing, we have a wheel that is ready for paint and ready to be put on an axle.